Study the Venn diagram given below. This is a Venn diagram. Rectangle represents male, okay. Then triangle represents educated, this one. Circle represents urbans, okay. And square represents servants. And these are the numbers given. Now, which among the following is neither a civil servant nor educated, but is urban and a male? Okay. Neither a civil servant means outside this square, nor educated, so outside this triangle also. So either 3, 12, 8 and 9, okay, out of these 4. But what is given? But is an urban, so it will be 3 and 12 only, and a male, so male also only 12, right? So because 3 is not a male, so answer is 12 only, right? The person satisfying the given conditions is represented by the region which lies inside the circle and inside the square also, and the square, the rectangle and triangle, outside the rectangle and a triangle, so that is 12 only, so that is the answer.